where to see controller remarks. You, as controller, may see the controller remarks you have given, like the reporter will see them in his reports. In the list of reports, in lists of fractions, in the overview, or in the graph. The red attention symbol attached to the speaking bulb indicates that there are open controller remarks, and in the list of reports that the report's control status is not set to done. A yellow check mark attached to the speaking bulb indicates that the reporter has set an answer status for a specific remark to closed, respectively. In the list of reports, that the reporter has set the answer status to done. A green checkmark attached to the speaking bulb indicates that the controller has set an answer status for a specific remark to closed, respectively. In the list of treatment results, that he has set the control status to done.